How to activate DasherDirect account. To activate your DasherDirect account, follow these steps. If you haven't already, download the DasherDirect app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Start the sign-up process by clicking the Become a Dasher option on the app or website. On the next page, input your email address and a new phone number. Provide your full name and other required personal details. Choose and enter a secure password for your account. Enter the details of the vehicle you'll be using for deliveries. Add your residential or mailing address. Prepare for a background check by providing documents such as a passport or driving license. Confirm you're not a robot and sign your full name for verification. Your background check and identity verification will be processed. This may take some time. After processing, you'll be able to log into the Dasher app. While waiting, you can see that your background check is still in progress. Once the background check is cleared, you'll be prompted to input your banking information to receive payment. Once everything is verified and processed, you can begin using the Dasher app to start delivering. Thanks for watching.